Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Grace Annabelle. In today's video, I will be showing you two easy ways of frying fish. Two simple ways you can fry fish at home. So we'll be doing the flour coated fried fish and the non-coated fried fish. All right, so here I have some tilapia fish which I have taken my time to clean nicely. Look at that. They look so beautiful, isn't it? Yes, so I will season my fish with some spices. So let's talk through the spices. Here I have a pinch of salt, a teaspoon of ground ginger, teaspoon of garlic granules, teaspoon of aniseed, teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of mixed spice, and one shrimp cube. All right, and that's my fish there. So in a clean bowl, I will pour my fish or add my fish to it and then pour all my spices on. All right, so I'm going to marinate my fish, cover it with a cling film, and keep it in the fridge for 30 minutes. I've added the cube first, and then I'm adding the remaining spices and the salt. I'll then toss this, okay? Toss. Make sure that the fish is really coated with the spices. Flavor pack. Then cover this with a cling film and chill it in the fridge for 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes of chilling my fish, I will then get it out from the fridge and then start frying. So I will start with the non-coated fried fish, all right? So to my frying pan, I will add some oil. I am using sunflower oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I will let this oil heat up and then sprinkle a little bit of flour in the oil. I do this to prevent the fish from sticking to each other, okay? Whenever you are frying and you don't want whatever you are frying to get stick to each other, sprinkle a little bit of flour. I'm using all-purpose flour, which is the plain one, in the oil, and your fish or whatever you are frying will never stick to each other. So I'll fry this until it is golden brown. At this point, I'm flipping it over or turning it upside down. Okay, so my fish is ready now. I'm going to get this out from the oil. Okay, so next I'm going to fry the flour coated one. So in a clean bowl, I'll add my plain or all-purpose flour and then take one fish, dip it in the flour, flip it over and make sure that the fish is coated all over, everywhere, okay, covered with the flour. Put that aside, pick another one and do the same until I finish flouring all my fish. Next, I will then dip it in my oil, okay? I will start frying. I'll keep frying until it is golden brown. So now I'll then flip my fish over, turn it like I did to the non-coated one. Yet, so my fish is ready. Now I am getting it out from my oil into my paper-lined colander. All right, guys, so I have my fish here. Okay, they are ready. They look so nice and beautiful. It is so easy to make. So these are the ways that you can fry your fish. Okay, so that's the uncoated one. All right, and the coated one. Okay, flour coated fish, and enjoy my fried fish with some bangkun. All right, so homemade black pepper sauce, which is I am going to enjoy my red chili sauce. Who is coming over? Come and join me. Let's enjoy this meal together. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next one. Bye bye.